Get ready to dive into the crystal-clear waters of luxury at Cozumel Palace, a stunning all-inclusive resort that's making waves in Mexico's Caribbean paradise. This isn't just another beachfront hotel. It's a slice of heaven where the margaritas flow as freely as the ocean breeze, and the only thing more refreshing than the pools is the warm hospitality. Let's start our virtual tour with the accommodations that'll have you feeling like royalty faster than you can say fiesta. Cozumel Palace doesn't do ordinary rooms. They specialize in suites that are more spacious than your average city apartment. Picture this. You wake up to the sound of gentle waves, stumble out onto your private balcony, and bam! The Caribbean Sea is right there, looking so blue it might as well be photoshopped. But it's real, folks, and it's spectacular. The Superior Ocean View Suite is like the overachiever of hotel rooms. It's got a double whirlpool tub that's big enough to host its own pool party, a mini bar that's always on duty and always free, and a welcome bottle of wine, because, let's face it, you deserve it. If you're honeymooning or just feeling extra fancy, the Superior Honeymoon Suite kicks things up a notch with romantic vibes so strong you might propose all over again. But wait, there's more. For those traveling with an entourage, or just a really big family, the two-bedroom presidential suite is basically a seaside mansion. With enough space to house a small village and views that'll make your Instagram followers weep with envy, it's the kind of place that makes you wonder why you ever lived on land in the first place. Now, let's talk grub, because what's a vacation without gaining a few happy pounds? Cozumel Palace has got your taste buds covered with not one, not two, but 5 dining venues that'll take you on a culinary world tour without ever leaving the resort. Momo is the gourmet hotshot, serving up international cuisine that's so fresh, you'd think they teleported the ingredients. Flamingo's Snack Bar is your go-to for those I'm too lazy to leave the pool moments, offering light bites that are perfect for in-between dips. The Lobby Bar is where the magic happens after dark, with cocktails so masterfully crafted, they should come with their own tiny top hats. Turquesa and Bugambilias round out the dining squad, though they're playing it coy with the details online. But hey, a little mystery never hurt anybody, right? And the best part, it's all included, so you can eat and drink to your heart's content without worrying about your wallet getting lighter than your luggage on the way home. Speaking of dips, let's dive into the pool situation. Cozumel Palace boasts 3 outdoor pools that are so inviting, you might forget the actual ocean exists. There's an adult pool for when you need a break from the kiddos or other people's kiddos, a children's pool for the little mermaids and mermen, and a pool with a swim-up bar because swimming to your cocktail is the ultimate vacation flex. These aquatic playgrounds are surrounded by sun loungers and serviced by staff who seem to have a sixth sense for when your drink needs refilling. But let's not forget the beach. While Cozumel Palace is proudly beachfront, it's worth noting that Mother Nature threw in some rocks to keep things interesting. It's like a natural obstacle course to the crystal-clear Caribbean waters. Once you're in, though, it's snorkeling and diving paradise. The nearby Aqua Safari dive shop is ready to kit you out for underwater adventures that'll have you speaking fish in no time. Now, if your idea of vacation involves more pampering than paddling, the Spa is your new best friend. This oasis of tranquility offers everything from aromatherapy massages to hot stone treatments that'll melt away stress faster than ice cream on a Mexican beach. There's a sauna and steam room too, in case you weren't already feeling hot enough in the Caribbean sun. For those who like to stay active, even on vacation, you overachievers, the fitness center has enough equipment to keep your muscles guessing. And if you prefer your workouts with a side of scenery, there are water fitness classes that let you tone up while cooling down. Traveling with tiny humans? Cozumel Palace has thought of everything. The Kids Club is like a mini resort within the resort, offering supervised activities that'll keep the little ones entertained while you sneak off for that couple's massage or a quiet moment with a good book and a better view. From crafts to games, they'll be having so much fun, they might forget they're on a family vacation. When you're ready to explore beyond the resort, if you ever are, Cozumel's got plenty to offer. The Punta Langosta Pier is practically your neighbor. perfect for watching cruise ships come and go or hopping on one yourself. Downtown Cozumel is just a short taxi ride away, offering a taste of local life, shopping, and more restaurants if you somehow get tired of the 5 at the hotel. Impossible, but we'll humor the idea. For the beer enthusiasts, La Internacional Cerveceria is stumbling distance from the hotel, offering craft brews that pair perfectly with ocean views. And Punta Morena provides another slice of beachy heaven if you're looking to compare and contrast. Spoiler, they're all beautiful. But what really sets Cozumel Palace apart isn't just the amenities or the location, it's the experience. Guests rave about the staff, who seem to have graduated from the Hogwarts School of Hospitality, anticipating your needs before you even know you have them. It's the kind of service that has you checking job listings in Cozumel by day 3 of your stay. The resort has consistently snagged TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Award, sitting pretty in the top ranks of Cozumel's all-inclusives. With ratings hovering around 4.7 out of 5 across thousands of reviews, it's clear that Cozumel Palace isn't just meeting expectations. It's snorkeling circles around them. Of course, no paradise is perfect. Some guests mention the rocky shoreline can be a bit challenging, especially for those less steady on their feet. And while the entertainment gets generally good reviews, it might not be Vegas-level spectacular every night. But let's be real, with views like these, who needs a magic show? When it comes to events and conferences, Cozumel Palace doesn't play around. They've got facilities that can handle everything from intimate wedding receptions to corporate retreats, where the biggest challenge is keeping attendees from sneaking off to the beach. It's the kind of place where team building might involve a group snorkeling session, and the coffee breaks come with a side of Caribbean panorama. In the end, what makes Cozumel Palace truly special is its ability to be all things to all people. It's romantic enough for honeymooners, fun enough for families, and luxurious enough for those looking to seriously treat themselves. It's a place where you can be as active or as lazy as you want, where the biggest decision of your day might be whether to have your margarita frozen or on the rocks. From the moment you step into the lobby, greeted by that warm Mexican hospitality and the even warmer Mexican sun, you'll understand why people come back year after year. It's not just a hotel, it's a mood, a vibe, a state of mind where relaxation isn't just encouraged, it's practically mandatory. So whether you're a diving enthusiast looking to explore the underwater wonders of Cozumel, a foodie ready to eat your way through 5 restaurants, or just someone in desperate need of a vacation, where the hardest thing you'll do is decide between the pool and the beach, Cozumel Palace has got you covered. It's the kind of place that doesn't just meet your vacation dreams, it exceeds them, then hands you a cocktail and tells you to dream bigger. In a world of cookie-cutter resorts, Cozumel Palace stands out as a place with personality, where luxury meets laid back, and where every sunset feels like it was ordered, especially for you. It's not just a stay, it's an experience that'll have you checking your calendar for return dates before you've even packed your bags to leave. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.